Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to wrap a 18650 battery. The need to wrap a battery may arise if the wrap of the battery, that is the outer layer, is damaged. Over time the wrap can chip or tear and expose the metal casing of the battery, which is not at all good. The exposed metal casing can cause serious issues when installed in a vaping device, so do not use a battery when the outer layer is torn. If you have some batteries with torn wraps, it doesn't mean you need new batteries. They can easily be re-wrapped, and if you don't know how, just keep watching this video. For wrapping a battery, you will require a hairdryer. Second, a battery wrap which you can purchase online for around $2 to $3. That is around 200 bucks in India. I purchased it from AliExpress and I got it within 2 weeks. So let's start with the video. For 200 rupees, I got all these wraps. So today I'll be using the Supreme and the Batman wrap. So let's open my batteries. This is the wrap. So this is 25-hour Samsung battery. Just slide it in. Here.
I wanna be your lover, tied up and twisted around. I wanna be your lover, till I'm underground. I wanna be your man, but you don't feel the same. I feel it in your hands, now I'm filled with shame. I woke up in a foreign land, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me, no one wants me. I woke up with a broken hand, in a castle made of sand. No one wants me, no one wants me. My tongue, I'll crawl back for more. I'm falling from the sky, but you don't even care.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you learned how to wrap a battery. If you guys liked my video, do subscribe to my channel and share the video with your vaping friends. Also, I'll put a link down below to join the vaping community. Signing off, Indian Vapes and EJUICES. Quit smoking and start vaping.